Hi, my name is Rinehart. I'm with Everede Tool Company. Today we're going to talk about a couple unique tools offered by Nine9. Those tools are the NC Helix Drill and the I-Center. The NC Helix Drill is unique in that it actually is a drill mill which ramps at 20-degree angle and produces multiple different part features with one tool. So using very few tools, you can replace a large number of tools in your carousel, where other competitors would need 4 or 5 tools. We might need 1 or 2 tools. So let me show you a little bit about the features in that the tool can produce. The tool itself is nice that it has this helical flute that acts as a coolant pump to lift the chips up out of the hole. So this tool can drill 3 times diameter where other tools could not. The other unique feature in the tool is that there's a serration on the insert that produces very small chips and stabilizes the tool, again allowing the tool pressure to be reduced, the chips to be controlled. So all materials that you would struggle with producing fine chips and controlling those chips can be done with the NC Helix Drill. There's a couple examples of the different diameters you can make with this tool in this sample piece that we had made, which shows a real nice overview of the smallest tool and the largest tool produced with one tool. Smallest hole, largest hole. So it also can do other key features and shapes, again all by helical ramping. So here's a couple other features for you that it can do, where you'll see that multiple shapes, forms, and pockets can be created using one single tool and heavy aggressive ramp angles. So the Nine9 I-Center is unique in the fact that it takes a I-Center application where you can index and get extremely repeatable. So the unique features of the I-Center is that it repeats on the center line of the tool as you index within 8/10 radially. Actually, when you change the insert end to end, it's 2/1000 repeatability. There's nothing else in the marketplace that allows that type of accuracy as you change an insert. The other benefit is that the tool geometry allows you to form the chips much better than you would get with a solid tool. And with the combination of the substrate and the coating, you can outproduce solid tools by 5 and 10 times. So the real application for this is high production shaft work in the automotive industry, some aerospace applications, and other places where you need to have a very repeatable, indexable insert. So another unique product, the original invention from Nine9, is actually the spotting tools. The great thing about the spotting tools is over the last years it's been expanded from a single angle of 90 degrees. Now our full offering ranges from 60 degrees to 142 degrees. It takes a indexable insert, which allows you to take advantage of today's technology and replace some of the older antiquated cutting tools in the marketplace. Again, it's a very mature product line that has a very broad range of inserts and holders that allow you to replace the older technology with today's modern technology. So for more information about Nine9 and other unique products offered by Everede Tool Company, you can see us on the web at www.everede.net, spelled EVEREDE.net.